No, first actually it's a story, I think about stories first. Unfortunately, in India, people still, come to me thinking that I'll also come with a story and break the film. So, only one or two cases has happened, the story has come to me. So I always pick up a story where I can see what the 2-3 criteria. Am I repeating myself? Is this film is different from the films I have done before? If it is different, it's good. Will I be able to flex my directorial muscles and show my work? So these are the 2-3 criteria. And can I see the audience of this film? Which audience is for? Is for metro audience? Is for larger India? Or youth? I should see the audience, then I think these are the 2-3 criteria which makes me decide to what film to do. There is a local audiences, and if the new filmmakers think differently than Bollywood and have their own personality, not like Bollywood, not like, I think I've seen a lot of, I see a lot of music channels and somewhere. For example, the music has their own characteristics. Nepali music का अपना एक personality है. Nepali music has little it has influence of little folk, little rock, little this thing. So Nepali music, I know I can hear this kind of. But for Nepali movies, I really don't know what kind of movies I'm going to watch. I think I'm going to watch Bollywood kind of Nepali films.
1970s Bollywood.
So, and that's what is, and I think the new filmmakers should think out of the box. And I know box office is very important here. It doesn't do well, but there's a huge world market. See, Sri Lanka, the films from Sri Lanka, they are going in Cannes, they are going in abroad film festival, they are earning a lot of money. So I think if that's the only thing I can say, and I think it has to have its own personality and the film. उसका कुछ अलग niche बनाना पड़ेगा. Whenever the industries which has been copying Bollywood died actually. Bengali cinema was copying Bollywood, it just died. Then these new filmmakers came up, made new kind of movies, now it is revived again and is doing really well. Because I really don't know Nepal market, because I cannot suggest, because I don't know this place so much as I do other places, what kind of films should be made. But what I can suggest is, you should not think it as a regional cinema and a small film. Even if you're shooting with a DG camera, you should think I'm going to make an Oscar-winning film. If you think that I'm going to make the greatest film on the earth. And so the approach should not be, hey, let's make a small film, it will release in few hours, it will make me this much of money and it will do this much, let's put one song. If you have this kind of approach, I think the great cinema will not come out. Great cinema comes out if you think huge and big. You should have this thinking, this film should release in Bollywood. In Bombay I should make money. It should have one show in some theatre in Bombay and all the Nepalese people in Bombay should come and see that film. So that's how, because in Bombay now I'm glad to see a lot of regional cinema in multiplexes in Bombay, and a lot of people go to see those films. So you have to actually occupy that space. And international market, I think world market is very important. Wherever you see the small countries are there in the world which have no local market, because anywhere in the world they are threatened by, like Nepal is threatened by Bollywood cinema. The world cinema everywhere else is threatened by Hollywood cinema. But they are still surviving because of the kind of film they are doing for world cinema, and they have their world market to live. The regional film industries are really flourishing in India. They have a big market. And Bollywood doesn't have effect on them, they are still surviving. Otherwise all these film industries would have been shut and closed by now. They have actors working, so they have Bengali film industry which is again revived, doing very well for last, it was little dull. For the last 4-5 years is doing really well. Films are really doing well. Box office successes. Actors in South, in Tamil cinema, Telugu cinema, Kannada cinema, the actors earn more than actually Bollywood actors. So their cinema is also flourishing. The only reason is they are not aping Bollywood. They are making films which has their own character. The Bengali cinema has their own characteristic to itself. Even the Tamil cinema and Telugu cinema, They are different from Bollywood. If they would have been aping Bollywood, they would have been out because you have Bollywood to see, na. So if I'm aping Bollywood, अगर Bollywood जैसा पिक्चर बना रहे हैं, तो हम आपका पिक्चर क्यों देखेंगे? Bollywood देखेंगे ना, उस आपसे अच्छा बनाते हैं. So you have to develop a new kind of cinema.
So you need structure like.
No, I didn't. It's just natural because those are the kind of stories I wrote. I don't know why I wrote. Maybe the kind of because I was new to infidelity and extramarital affairs, and when I came to Bombay, I saw it happening all over because I came from a small town. Maybe that thing, I got attracted to, and I saw a lot of stories happening in that life. And I have this knack of, looking stories from women's point of view and, from female protagonist's point of view. So when I see it, the layers comes and so I think with Barfi it will change. Barfi is a clean family film without any infidelity. And I wanted my kids to go, and I didn't want an A certificate film because I've always done film, and since I've always given the A certificate to the film. Now I'm a family man with 2 daughters. I want them to go and see the film and enjoy. I think my next film is again without stars. It's not that now I'll only work with big stars and not work with small new actors. So, but you know what? When you work with new actors, your budget is very small. You're running against time, shoestring budget, and but some subjects cannot be made in small budget, and it needs big budget. So you need big actors. So big actors ensures the big budget for the film. So that's how we cast big actors for this film. Otherwise, for the Kites, if I go new actor, the budget would have been 1/10 or maybe much less than that. I wouldn't have made Kites. Barfi also needed some budget. It's a period saga. So that's why that's the only reason, because if film needs money, you need big actors because actors bring money to the film. Just to make it economically viable. If you're spending so much of money with a new actor, it will not ensure the box office success. You don't. And the success of movies nowadays is completely depending, economically dependent. If the film is economically sound, and the guarantee of success is more. So it's very important that you're not going crazy and spending money with new actors. And I always make film thinking that it will not run even for 1 week. I keep budget like that. It should still earn money even if it runs only for 1 week on theatre. So I always budget it that way. So my next film, I think, is a small budget film, and it will not need big actors. So it will have all new actors in my next film. Prashant was good. Prashant he has a very bright future. He is very creative. I remember a little eccentric, and I was judging a show where he was in contestant. Already Bijoy Nambiar, the winner, has made one film. Is making his second film. Prashant was runner-up in that.
Is that going?
Made Prashant. He was a contestant there, and he left the show. I think he was angry and he left the show. He had fight with one of my colleague director, Sudhir Mishra, and I think he left. It was only 6 episodes old that time, and they had a long way to go. So I knew that this boy is talented. I really backed him. I said, "Cool down, come back." And I fought with the whole unit to keep him back in the show. And then he went on, till the end, and he was runners-up, and he almost won it actually. And I thought Nambiar, Bijoy, the winner, and Prashant both were equally talented. Bijoy has made it. He has made one successful film. He is making another one, and so it's just about time. Prashant also start doing it. I think he can also. But it's a difference being in Bombay and looking for work and being in Sikkim looking for. That's the only difference between Bijoy and Prashant. Bijoy is in Bombay and looking for work, so that's why he had made it fast. And he's been doing it from traveling from Sikkim, so it becomes difficult. Or because he was in Kathmandu also. He's here, kya Prashant nahi na? No, and Bola is the best thing to happen to Barfi. And I'm so glad it just happened, because the first day I met Bola, came to meet me in Kolkata. I called him in Kolkata. There were 3 more actors I called in Kolkata to audition for that role. So I decided there and there when I met him, there was भोला के अपने नाम के जैसे ही भोला है. So हमने एक फिल्म में बर्फी का जो कैरेक्टर का नाम भी भोला रख दिया. So and this character was very important. But Bhola also doesn't know right now sitting here. See, after my 3 main leads, the most important character is his character in the film. So it was very important character. And हाँ वही I'm coming to that. So Prashant actually. Prashant, if you know about Prashant Rasali, Prashant is to assist me and dear friend of mine, and Prashant has made one film Acharya here. I've seen the film.
Next question.
Yeah, I've seen that film, and he has done one short film with Prashant. So Prashant is the man actually who suggested him, came and met me, and that's how it all happened. And after that, he's been coming to Bombay. अभी तो लगता है इसको बॉम्बे का थोड़ा सा पानी लग गया, अभी आते रहेगा वहाँ पे और. And we don't speak, we smile and sign language में बात करते हैं हम लोग. No, it's not a new technique, and which I am only using it. I don't know where you have read it, which news came across, but I've been using this from television days, because television days we didn't have money to pay for the permission for train, because I wanted to shoot in real locations like train and airport and metro. Train. So I have done many in television days. I used to not take permissions. So I used to just take camera and take my actors, go there and shoot, and I've started enjoying it. And whatever used to come across used to be raw and rich. So I continued that process even in films, and with all Metro, for example, Metro was if you have seen Metro, Life in a Metro, I didn't want it. I wanted to capture city. But I didn't want those junior artists passing in the background, and so I've shot in real station and most of it with a real crowd, the crowd not knowing that camera is placed there. So it's not that I'm using it now, but I've been using this. In Calcutta also it becomes very difficult with big stars. If you take a camera out in open and start shooting, it will be crazy, people will crowd it and people shoot like that. Ramaniyatam has shot. My friend Sujay has shot Kahani like that. But I cannot organize and have 2 hours of organize and crowd removal and then start shooting. I don't have patience so much. So I just simply hide the camera and shoot it. So most of the time I do it like that when I go in open, and I think that in that way you can capture city well with real people around, and it is not fake, it's real. So I've been using this, not new. I think many filmmakers use this technique and to do it. It's not a technique, it's people call it a guerrilla filmmaking.
Like a documentary.
And it comes from my television experience actually. But film cameras are huge and big. It's not that in television you can hide the camera and shoot. But
I always say,
making it in film becomes tricky. Inhale life, exhale cinema. So if you inhale life, if you live life and you be with people and you understand them, you write cinema, you'll do the right cinema. You cannot make a cinema watching a lot of Bollywood and Hollywood films and travel in AC car and go in the AC office and then come back. So you have to be really rooted with the people, so you understand what people want and you can tell their story. And I think it has to just come from inside you, and that's the trick. I think I don't. You cannot design a film. It should just come from inside you, and there's no formula. There's no. You have to. And for example, for regional films, के लिए इतना important हो जाता है. You have to address one issue which will connect with everybody in that region.